But it's Christmas. Let's get away, shift the mood a little bit and tell you my mood is clearly shifted because I'm outdoors today without a mask. What a luxury to have here in the national capital. And I don't know if you can see, I'm going to request my cameraman to sort of just show you the skyline today. See, it's still 3 times what the WHO permits. 50 is what WHO permits. We're still at 150 at the moment. But dude, it's still better. I can actually see blue. And as my producer was pointing out a little while ago, that every 5 minutes, we're on top of the Mediaplex, just to sort of give you a perspective, every 5 minutes a plane crosses over. For the past months, we have only heard the plane, not seen it, because there is so much smog. Today, we can actually see every plane pass by. Just a perspective, just the little joys that if you're not in Delhi, you don't know what we're saying. But try and understand the excitement of just being outdoors today, and that too on the day of Christmas. So clearly somebody up there is listening in. And who is that somebody? It's not our government. It is the wind god. It's the wind speed that has caused the lift up in our moods, in our spirits, and also the lift away of AQI and smog. What was the wind speed? Now, strong surface winds from northeast is what we are seeing today, blowing at the speed of 15 to 25 kilometers per hour during the day. That helped sort of move and disperse the pollutants that sort of clogged the national capital. Now, if you've been watching this show, you already know by now that Delhi is like a basin. In fact, all of the northern belt is like a basin like that. What happens is an inversion, which means below that line, you see a thick layer of smog that gets clogged. All of us, it's like a ziplock that gets created where we just can't, that smog cannot leave Delhi, and that means all of us are just breathing in that air. That's why if you're landing on a plane from outside Delhi, you see beautiful blue sky, white clouds, and then you come inside under the immersion, and then you see the smog that is the national capital, the toxic air that is the national capital. The only thing that can blow it away is the wind. Wind generally doesn't favor us during this time of the year, especially from October all the way to January. If you're lucky, then only till January and not beyond. But today, there was a difference. Today, the wind speed did pick up, which meant it got lifted away, in turn lifting our spirits and our mood as well. But